I'm your mathematics teacher Chirag Tanna. So in this video we will see the chapter areas related to circles, that is chapter 12 of standard 10 maths. So let's start with some formulas. First, well known and basic formula. We have a circle with radius r. So circumference of the circle, that means boundary of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Instead of 2r, you can write d, diameter of the circle. 2r equals to the diameter of the circle. And area of the circle, this whole part, the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So these are the basic formulas. Now moving ahead, sector. So first of all, what is sector? See, here in a circle, I have 2 points A and B. So that is your R. That is ACB. That is R. This ADB is also an R. Now, area enclosed by the arc and 2 radius, that is known as sector. The area enclosed by the arc and 2 radius, that is sector. ACB is minor arc, ADB is major arc. So, area enclosed by minor arc and 2 radius, that is minor sector, and area enclosed by major arc and same 2 radius, that is major sector. Minor sector, major sector. Here the angle between 2 radius is suppose theta. So now, what is the area of this sector, this minor sector? Area of minor sector, that is pi r square into theta by 360. See, what is the area of the whole circle, that is pi r square? Now you want only angle theta. Out of total 360, you want only theta. You want area of angle theta. So that's why you are writing pi r square, but theta only out of 360. So the formula is pi r square theta by 360. That is the area of this minor sector. Then what will be the area of major sector? Very simple. Area of the circle minus area of this minor sector. So you will get the area of major sector. See, area of major sector, that is area of the circle minus area of minor sector. Area of the circle, that is pi r square, and area of minor sector, that is pi r square theta by 360. So by doing this subtraction, you will get the area of this major sector. Okay, but remember, what is sector? That is the combination of arc and 2 radius. Again, arc and 2 radius. Minor arc, so it will be minor sector. Major arc, so it will be major sector. So next, we will see the segment. So first, we will see what is segment. See, in the circle, again I have 2 points A and B on the circle. That is again ACB arc, minor arc, and ADB, that is your major arc. Now if I join this line segment AB, then AB is a chord. Now combination of arc and chord, that is known as segment. That means area enclosed by the arc and the chord, that is segment. See, area enclosed by minor arc and chord, that is minor is your minor segment. And the remaining whole part, that is major segment. That means major arc and the same called AB. Area enclosed by the major arc and chord, that means this whole part, that is major segment. So now area of this minor segment, okay, you can say APBC. Area of this minor segment. Now see, we had this sector, this whole is a sector C. That was the sector, okay, 2 radius and the arc, 2 radius again R suppose. So now from the sector, if you minus the area of the triangle, you will get the area of segment. So that I am doing area of minor segment, this, that means area of minor sector. Again you can say here the angle is theta. So area of minor sector minus area of the triangle, area of minor sector minus area of the triangle, so I will get the area of minor segment. You can write here that area of minor segment, as you know, pi r square theta by 360 minus area of triangle. Okay, I am not putting any formula for area of triangle. You can find area of the triangle by different formulas. Okay, if it is a simple triangle with base and height, you can use 1/2 base into height. If the right triangle is there, same formula, 1/2 base into height. If the equilateral triangle is there, having length L, then root 3 by 4 L square will be there. Okay, so by different ways you can find the area of the triangle, and that depends on the question only. That is area of minor segment. So that is minor segment. Then what will be the area of this major segment? See, triangle includes in the major segment. So area of the major segment will be area of the whole circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of the major segment is what? Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of the circle is pi r square minus area of minor segment, which you get from here. Okay, so that is area of major segment. Now the arc. Now we already know what is the arc, but we will see the length of the arc. So again the circle is there, having radius r. Again the angle is theta between 2 radius suppose. So as we know, that is minor arc and that is major arc. Okay, so now length of this minor arc AC, length of minor arc. So what is the length of whole circle? Length means circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. So length of the total circle is 2 pi r, but you want length of the theta angle only, theta out of 360 like sector. So it will be 2 pi r into theta only out of 360. So here cancellation will be there. Okay, so here you will get 180, so it will be pi r theta by 180. That is the formula for length of the minor arc. Now length of this major arc, very simple. Length of the whole circle, that means circumference of the circle minus length of the minor arc. Okay, circumference of the circle minus length of the minor arc, so you will get length of the major arc. So circumference of the circle minus length of minor arc. What is circumference of the circle? 2 pi minus length of the minor arc, that is pi r theta by 180. So by this you can find length of the major arc ADB. So this kind of formulas are there in the chapter. In the next video we will see some numericals related to this formula. Thank you.